Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to transfer Solana from Binance to Phantom Wallet. For that, first of all, you need to open your Binance mobile application, and here you need to tap on the Wallets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Over here, you need to tap on the Support tab, and here in your balances list, you just have to simply tap on USDT. Then you need to tap on the withdraw option and select the first option of send via crypto network. After selecting this option, it will ask you to provide the deposit address. So you need to get the address from your Phantom wallet. So in order to get it, you just have to simply launch your Phantom wallet mobile application, and here you need to tap on receive. Now in the receive, you will be able to see 4 different networks option, but you need to select Solana because we want to transfer Solana from Binance to Phantom wallet with Solana network. So you need to tap on the copy option right next to Solana in order to copy this address. Afterwards, you need to come back to this page and paste the address in this section. Now by default, it will select Solana as network, but if it doesn't, you need to simply tap on the drop down menu and select the Solana network. It is because we have copied the deposit address of Solana from the Phantom wallet. After that, you just have to simply enter the withdrawal amount in USDT over here. So you need to enter the amount, and you need to make sure that the minimum withdrawal amount from Binance to Phantom wallet is $30. So you just have to simply enter the amount over here, then tap on the withdraw option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now currently you must be seeing this congested option written right next to Solana. So whenever you see the congested option right next to Solana, it simply means that your transaction might be delayed because currently the Solana network is congested. So in case you see this type of congested option right next to Solana at the time of the transfer, I would recommend you to just wait for some time until this option is not visible, because if it is congested, your transfer can take up to 1 hour or even 2 hours in order to get reflected into your Phantom wallet. Now once you have entered your withdrawal amount, you need to simply tap on the withdraw option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. On the next page, it will ask you for verification, so you need to provide some details, like if you have your phone number, you need to just verify it with your OTP. If you have enabled Google Authenticator, you have to use that as well. Provide the code before the transaction. Afterwards, you just have to wait for some time until your transaction is completed. So since it is showing me congested, so I'm not going to show you the transaction, but you just have to simply follow the steps that I have told you. You just have to simply click on the withdraw option and you are done. Now within around 5 to 10 minutes, you will get your Solana into your Phantom wallet. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. The tutorial was quite easy, but in case if you have any questions in your mind, you can let me know in the comments, and I'm here to help you out with it. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.